What's the meaning of Black country? Black country. Black country.
Black country. Black country. The Black Country is an area of the West Midlands in England, with a dense population and a rich industrial history. It is known for its coal mines, iron foundries, and manufacturing industries, which were at their peak during the 19th and early 20th centuries. The name Black Country comes from the smoke and pollution that blanketed the area during this time period. The air was so thick with soot and ash that it turned everything black, including the buildings and the people who worked there. Today, the Black Country is still an important economic hub, but with much cleaner air and a more diverse range of industries.